Today I'm going to play a little game with you, or to be precise, I'm going to play games and you're going to guess what's this behind me, or rather what's in it. Hi guys, Matthew here and welcome back again to my channel. This thing right next to me is ASRock's theme build PC, which they've sent over to me to take a closer look at it, and judging by the amount of RGB lighting that it has in it, it's pretty safe to say that it's a gaming PC in question. But before I tell you exactly what's in it, I thought I'd first show you a few different gameplay footage with FPS numbers, time frames, GPU and CPU clocks, and then, just for the fun of it, you can try to guess what powers this rig. Of course, I'm not going to hide things like what storage and RAM is in it, which in this case is Team Group's T-Force Delta RGB 250GB SSD, and also there's Excalibur RGB 32GB 3200MHz RAM kit, because it has little to no impact on the overall performance, but you'll have to guess which graphics card and CPU combo do I have in there. Also, I'm going to help you out a bit by suggesting a few different answers at the end of my gameplay. There will be a voting poll at the right top corner of this video, so be sure to leave your vote. And now, let's go on and check out that gameplay.
One target, dead ahead. Follow my lead.
One target.
Understood, Commander.
Few targets. In your face.
I've got eyes on two strike teams. One at the bunker, the other patrolling near the fallen walker.
Good spotting, Agent. We'll take it from here.
They're under us, going loud.
No, please.
It's over. Bunker is secure.
Bunker is secure.
Commander, rebel reinforcements inbound.
Weapons free. Neutralize all targets.
Yes, Commander. Understood.
reduced by 25%.
Hey, look out for fools like me.
So what do you think? What CPU and GPU combo is in this PC? Leave your answer at the poll up there, I will wait for you. And don't fast forward and cheat, I will know. Probably not, but still, don't do it. Oh, so, okay, you're done? Great, let's check it out. Director, drum roll, please. Special effects. Hello there, this is Editing Matthew speaking. In front of the camera, Matthew didn't know that we don't have budget for this, so I'm just going to tell you the answer. The correct answer was Intel's Core i5-9400F CPU and AMD's RX 580 series graphics card. Okay, that's that. Let's continue with the video, and I'm going to talk with in front of the camera Matthew about this later on. So, was your answer correct? Leave a comment down below telling me if you were right or wrong. It will be an interesting summary of this little experiment. Okay, let's get back to the system itself. What it actually represents is ASRock's attempt to pull a couple of other brands under their Phantom Gaming Alliance umbrella, so users can build a PC basically solely using components branded under that series. This is something that a lot of other brands started doing, like Asus for example, where you can also build a PC from ground up using their components only, but since ASRock doesn't do RAM, storage, chassis or coolers, but rather just motherboards and AMD based GPUs, they went with a different strategy of partnering up with brands like Team Group and Geil, which are in charge of the memory side of things, Inwin and Cooler Master, which are in charge of the chassis, one of which is used here, Cooler Master's H500P, which has Phantom Gaming branding all over its side panels and other areas. Inside we also have their Liquid Cooler Master Liquid ML240R RGB model, which is equipped with Phantom Gaming logo instead of Cooler Masters, or you can go for the Phantom Gaming branded Hyper 212 RGB air cooler. As you already saw, all of this is rounded up with Intel's 6-core Core i5-9400F CPU and ASRock's AMD RX 580 Phantom Gaming X graphics card, which is outdated, but I assume they will have new Navi cards in the offering soon, while both of them found their place on this decently equipped ASRock's Z390 Phantom Gaming 6 motherboard. I'm actually making a video on its bigger brother, the Z390 Phantom Gaming 7 model, so be sure to subscribe for that one if you're interested. But it doesn't have to be this particular CPU in question, or motherboard for that matter, because when it comes to picking up the CPU, it's up to you to choose what you will put in it, while this one was just for the showcase, so to speak. Thankfully, there's plenty of CPUs to choose from, since ASRock has a wide range of chipsets and motherboards coming from their Phantom Gaming series, both for Intel and AMD. The only downside that I see is there's no Nvidia based Phantom Gaming products to choose from, as ASRock is as of now only working with AMDs when it comes to GPUs, but of course no one will stop you from buying a graphics card from other brands. Also, there's no Phantom Gaming branded power supply models, which is not that big of a deal since you don't see it anyway, while I've got here Cooler Master's V850 80 Plus Gold model. All in all, although they definitely need to improve and expand their overall offering of other components except the motherboards, I do like that we users have a choice to do something like this, sort of like a themed build around a certain series, which is why I always appreciate having different possibilities and choices, and it's up to you to decide if it fits your idea of your personal build. Hope you had as much fun as I did while making this video. I'm thinking of maybe making a series out of this guess what components are in there based on the performance output I show you format. Leave a comment down below if you would like me to do something like this again. And what do you think about this PC build and ASRock's idea of setting up their Phantom Gaming Alliance? That's it for this time from me. Thank you once again for watching. Toss me a thumbs up if you enjoyed my content, that will help a lot. And if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe, and if you already are, be sure to press that notification bell down below so you don't miss out on a new video. And until then, catch you later guys.